In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create number photo collage in Canva. A number photo collage is a simple eye-catching way to showcase memories inside the shape of a number, perfect for birthdays, anniversaries, or milestones. Let's walk through it together, step by step, so you can follow along with confidence. First, open Canva and start with a blank canvas. Choose a size that suits where you'll use the design. For social posts, a square canvas is a safe bet, while a widescreen canvas works nicely for slides or banners. The key is to start with a clean, empty space so your number collage can take center stage. Next, head to the Elements tab on the left. In the search bar, type number frame. Frames in Canva are special placeholders that let images snap into a shape. In this case, a number. You'll see options that look like bold hollow numbers with a scenic preview inside. That's what you want. Click the number you need, then resize it by dragging the corner handles. Make it large enough to highlight your photos and position it where you want it on the canvas. Centering it usually looks best and gives your images room to breathe. If you like, use the alignment guides that appear as you move the number to keep everything tidy. Now, upload your photos. Go to the Uploads panel. Select your images from your device and wait for them to appear in your library. Once they're ready, drag a photo directly onto the number. You'll see it snap into place inside the frame automatically. Continue dragging in different photos until the number is filled the way you like. If you change your mind, just drag another image on top to replace it instantly. To fine-tune the placement of a photo inside the number, double-click on the image within the frame. This opens an adjustment view where you can drag to reposition the photo so important parts like faces or focal points sit perfectly inside the curves and edges of the number. You can also scale the image up slightly to avoid awkward crops or empty areas. Take a moment to adjust each image so the collage feels balanced and intentional. And that's it. Thanks for watching.